In this video, you will learn how to withdraw money from FBS to Binance. Log into your FBS account, open the FBS website or app, and sign in with your account credentials. Go to the withdrawal section. From your dashboard, select finance or withdrawal to start the withdrawal process. Choose a crypto option. Select a cryptocurrency supported by both FBS and Binance, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Copy your Binance deposit address. In your Binance account, go to Wallet, then Deposit. Choose the same crypto and copy your wallet address. Make sure you select the correct network as well. Enter details in FBS. Paste the Binance deposit address in the FBS withdrawal form. Select the same network and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm and complete your withdrawal. Double check all your details, confirm the withdrawal, and wait for the blockchain to process it. Your funds will appear in your Binance wallet once completed. Now you know how to withdraw money from FBS to Binance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.